Alleged 1. Inactive since 2017. thebesttaco. Former commentator. Plays mostly Hunter. The Alberta 35 Smite Y Online. Smite Pro Replays. NanoSmiteYT. NanoSmiteYT. Warchiwar. NSNL. Jeffhindla. Former pro. Former YouTuber. HyperBeastFoxy. Occasionally posts montages. theSmagann. Inactive since 2018. Wesugoi. NRG Adapting. NRG Adapting. SoloOrTroll. PandaCat. Pro Hunter. Plays Ranked Conquest. MythyMoo. Plays more Pokemon than Smite. Week 3. Former pro jungler. Mostly plays casual conquest. Duck. Inactive since December 2019. Awfulmasterhat. Plays mostly duel. Yellow Shell. Uploads every month or so. DukeSloth. Tutorials and informative videos. Incon. Former pro player who plays mostly conquest as mid laner or jungler. BaRRaCCuDDa. Pro Hunter. Rexsi. Plays mostly duel. Fineokay. Pro solo laner. Plays ranked conquest with informative commentary. Mast. Inactive since Feb 2020. SamDaDude. Plays mostly duel. Experiments with builds.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.